Everyone, today we'll be doing maths Venn diagrams. So I want to just make a couple things known, like a couple symbols. So first we have a set. So sets are basically just, these can be represented by any alphabet, A, B, C, doesn't matter. Sets just contain a pattern or numbers. So then we have our universal set, which is basically all the sets together. We have symbols. So first is this. This means intersection. It basically means the overlapping between two sets, or like more than two sets. So the things they have in common. U means union. So this means both the sets combined together. And if we have like a set and then this symbol here, this means complementary. It can also be represented by C. So this means not the set, so not A in this case. So it's everything but the set. We have another symbol like this. This means the set is empty. We have E, which means element. So element means that it belongs to a certain set. And then we have this, which means not an element of. So you just put a cross on it. It's quite easy to remember. And when it's written like this, N bracket A, which is our set bracket, it means the total count of the set. Now that we have that cleared, let's go to our first question. Write P bracket A intersection. Oh, sorry, that's not the first question. They give us a universal set and they give us two sets. They label the sets here. And they say to complete the Venn diagram. So A is multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. B is multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15. Universal is everything that is, we can see there's nothing intersecting here, right? There's nothing here. There's nothing in common or overlapping. So we just leave that empty. And our universe, which is the numbers that are not in the set. So let's cross it out. 10, 15. Oh, we do have common. 15 and 15. So we can write 15 here and erase that here. Put a cross on it. So now we have our universal. 1. You can just write it anywhere. 2, 7, 4, 11, 13, 14, and 16. Write down P bracket intersection B, so 15. That means the number there, present. Here is a Venn diagram. Write down the number that are in sets D. So 6, 5, and 9. So you have to see D as this circle. That's how it makes it more clear that 5 and 9 are a part of D. C union D. So everything that's C and D combined, like this. So 1, 4, 5, 9, 6. C complementary, everything but C. So now, as I said, this whole circle is C, so we have to shade it. There you go. So now it leaves us with 6, 11, and 7. There are 80 students in year 11, universal. 9 students study Germany and French. And is the keyword. This means intersection. 35 students only study French. So that means just French. 2 students do not study French or German. So this goes outside. We have to complete the Venn diagram. Let's put 2 outside immediately. 9 students study German and French. So we can put 9 here. And 35 only study French. So now this is X. We have to find X out. So we know that the total number of students is 30. So 9 plus 35 plus 2 plus X equals 80. So we just add these up together, which is 46 plus x, and then we do x equals 80 minus 46, x equals 34. So the number of Germans, so x basically is 34. Work out how many students only study Germany. 34. At the wedding, the guests may have ice cream or custard with their dessert. The Venn diagram shows information about the choices the guests made. How many guests had custard? 34. They gave us the Venn diagram and labeled it, so that's good. How many guests had ice cream and custard? And intersection. Remember that. So 9. How many guests went to the wedding? So just total of it. So 34 plus 9 plus 51 plus 13 equals to 107. So 107. Okay, so now here's a Venn diagram. Write out the numbers A intersection B. So here, A intersection B, 9 and 4. A union B, so 25, 16, 36, 9, 4, and 5. A complementary, everything but A. So this includes this whole circle. So let's just shade it out. 5, 40, and 17. I haven't learned about probability yet, so I'm not gonna talk about it. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. This was very basic, but it's what I've learned up to now.